Okay, well, I'm going to do a video to show you where we live. Now this is our kitchen. Bottles. Mummy burnt the hot plate. This is the backyard. Cubby house down there, but you can't see it at the moment. This is the laundry. Bathroom. Not very big. Does the job. Logan. They're locked out from coming out here. This is the dining room. More Bubby things. This is the spare room. It's probably too dark to see in there. The light's not on. Our junk room. This is the boys' TV room. This is the boys' room. It's reasonably tidy because Daddy cleaned it up last night. Mummy won't do it. Okay, out here. There's Bubby. Toys. Hello, Bella. Hello. Computer. Joseph. Watching TV. More toys. This is the front yard. Trampoline. That doggy. That other doggy. Logan again, following Mummy. More toys. This is our room. More toys. All our stuff. Now the Bubby's room. Little elephant. More toys. That is me when I was little. Logan and his little handprint. Bella, her little handprint. Okay, that's about it. We have a big garage and shed, but that's another video. Bella being cheeky. Bella! Hello! Holding her. Let her sit down. Let her sit down. Logan! Hello, Logan! Okay, that's it.